Vasundhara ma'am, how are you, ma'am?
Yes, fine.
That's nice. Nice meeting you. So, how are you finding this workshop that we are having with the internship program that we are having with ISER and Ticklings?
Yes, they are quite informative. We are learning very something new.
Mm.
And I think for ICER, I've already associated with ICER with another workshop. So I'm quite familiar with whatever they are teaching us. So this Tickling and ICER association helped me a lot in imbibing in children the inquiry based learning, so how to ask questions so that they can think and uh, we can take something out of the box from children. So it's really very good initiative.
Thank you. Thank you. So, what would you say are the learnings that can be implemented in class in this session? What are the things you would feel these things can be implemented? These learnings
Yes,
will help
as
you implement in class.
correct. As I said, basically the inquiry, as we are now starting, the next year we are going to start with NEP.
Mm.
So it is moreover focusing on inquiry-based approach, activity-based learning, which ICER has already taught us that how,
Okay.
what is activity-based learning, and
Okay.
how to make children think about the research-oriented thing. They have to
Mm.
just not just do the rote learning. They have to just do learning by doing, do and then ask why is it so, and then
Mm.
try to understand. Don't just rote learn. So this is the main important part ICER has taught us with in this internship.
Okay. So my next question is, are there any learnings which you feel cannot be implemented in the class? Is there something you feel cannot be implemented in the class?
No, obviously all the learnings are really, I can say, application based things are there.
Okay. 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 So now I have a rapid fire for you. We have some topics that we have chosen. Let me know whether they were good or bad. If it was good, you can say yes.
Mhm.
If it was bad, it'll just help us to take the feedback from you. So the topics that we have chosen and the content, do you feel it was beneficial?
Yes, obviously, yes, it is beneficial.
Okay. Instructors, do you feel that they were clear, they were good, and you could understand them? They could actually help you with the understanding?
Yes, yes, they were not good, they were excellent actually.
Okay.
They were at par of excellency. They were very good.
Okay, that's nice. Did you find the sessions activity based and fun?
Yes, yes. And when we actually go for it, we become children of that age, and then we start thinking from that level, and that's how we can get connected with children in this way. So it
True,
was
true.
really fun.
Okay, okay, okay. That's nice. We had a discussion. We had held a discussion where you could discuss with other teachers. Did you find that session useful?
Uh, so I could get some ideas from other teachers, some innovative ideas, the activities which they framed, which I might have not thought about, but other
Mhm.
teachers gave those ideas for the related topic in relative standard.
Okay,
Yes,
so there
yes, it
was
was
sharing
helpful.
of
Yes,
ideas and
and
therefore discussion
correct.
was
And that
useful.
sharing of ideas has to be done, which is the most important part is covered in this internship, which is not happening in school also. Many of the times that is lacking, and sharing to hona hi chahiye.
Right, right. At any point in time, we do learn with our peers more. The
Correct,
ideas
correct.
really help
Yes,
us learn.
yes,
The last question is guidance by your mentors. Were the mentors always available
yes,
for
yes.
guidance?
Yes, yes, always available on the WhatsApp. Dinesh sir used to always tell me whatever you need. He always helped me. He had one long discussion with me regarding my lesson plan. But since 1 week I was not completely I was completely unwell, so I could not devote that time. But yes, I am into process. And today itself he told me, "Madam, आपको कुछ problem है क्या?" They are really very cooperative and
Okay.
very down to earth people.
Okay, that's really nice to hear.
So yes, whatever initiative you have taken of making lesson plans and making it available for everyone is a really very good initiative. And I'm always going through Ticklings, that app, so I'm a big fan of it.
So, thank you so much.
Thank
But
you.
please come aboard help us make our lesson plans. We will be happy to have you in our team.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Sure.
Okay.
Yes.
Thank you, Vasundhara ma'am. Thank you for your time.
Thank you.
Okay. Bye-bye. Bye.
Bye.